This is a short film about distance, rate, and time, and it will teach you to use that in rational equations.
In order to apply this to everyday life, you will want to use distance equals rate times time, rate equals time divided by distance, and time equals distance divided by rate. In this first problem, we will be manipulating time. To do so, we will show variance in how long you will have to leave before school.
What time must my car be parked in order for me to make it on time if I'm running 8 miles per hour half a mile away from school?
For problem 2, Cole is walking at 4 miles per hour. This means that he can walk 1 mile per 15 minutes. So, if you just have both of those, you can walk half a mile, which is the distance from the car to the school, in 7.5 minutes. So, a 4 over 60 proportion is equal to a 1/2 over 7.5 proportion.
Matt has come to school early and is able to slowly walk at a speed of 2 miles per hour for half a mile to get to class on time.
For problem 3, we are walking at a rate of 2 miles per hour for 1/2 of a mile. So, 2 miles per hour would equate to 1 mile per 30 minutes. And since we are only going 1/2 of a mile, we can do half of a mile in 15 minutes. So, as presented by the equation distance equals rate times time, time to walk 1/2 of a mile in a rate of 2 miles per hour is 15 minutes.
"8:05 made it on time, walking 2 miles per hour, and it only took me 15 minutes.
For problem 4, we are going to be figuring out the distance. For this example, Cole leaves home at 7:25 in the morning. He drives 15 minutes at a rate of 20 miles per hour. He forgets something and must drive the same distance home, yet he does so at a rate of 40 miles per hour. This means he will do this in 7.5 minutes. How far in total has he driven? So to do this, we set it that 15 minutes over 20 miles per hour, and then we have 15 minutes is 1/4 of 60 minutes. So then we can look at 20 and we can divide that by 4, and that'll show us our miles. And so for part 2, since it's the same distance traveled, our total miles traveled would be 2 times 5, or 10 miles. Oh no, I forgot my homework!
Matt leaves for school at 7:30 and he drives 30 miles per hour. Bobby leaves at 7:32 and he drives 36 miles per hour. In the extra 2 minutes, Matt drives 1 mile on Bobby. It will take Bobby how many minutes to catch up? Bobby drives 6 miles per hour more than Matt, so 6 miles per hour equals 10 minutes per mile. So, 10 minutes after Bobby leaves, they will catch up or meet up. This occurs at 7:42.
Here's Matt leaving for school at 7:30, driving 30 miles per hour.
Here's Bobby leaving at 7:32, 2 minutes later, and driving at 36 miles per hour. Bobby is trying to catch up to Matt. Here, Bobby gains some ground on Matt. They're about to meet.
Hey, thought you could leave without saying goodbye.
I used to say I live my life a quarter mile at a time. And I think that's why we were brothers.